So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you where to find the chart to analyze the market for rise and fall. Okay, most of you don't know where to find the chart and how to add the indicators and the settings that I use for the indicators. So the first thing you need to do is just go and search TradingView deriv or deriv TradingView. It doesn't matter. Usually the first link is this one, TradingView / or -deriv. So you click this one. After you click that one, this is the page where you will land, and let me explain a few things here. Okay, it seems complicated, but it's so simple. These ones are some drawing tools. We usually don't need them as much. The things that we really need is the first one is this one. This is where you change the volatility. Okay, so by default it's like this, so delete this one. After you delete it, go to derived section. Okay, so when you go to the derived section, all of the volatilities that you find on your reports on deriv on the manual trader, you also find it here. So usually I trade in the volatility 10-1S index. I select that one. So the second after you select that one is the time frame. Okay, usually I start my analysis on the 24-hour on the daily charts and on the 1-hour charts if I'm doing the top-down analysis. Okay, so the bigger time frame, the 1 hour or the 24 or the 4 hour, I use it to learn more about the trend of the charts, if it's going up or down. The other thing is when I'm going to take my entry or the entries, I find them in the 1 minute, 5 minute or 15 minutes depending on, but usually I use 5 minutes or 1 minute. So let me select 1 minute. You see now the chart has dramatically changed. Okay, so the other thing I want you to turn on and off is Git auto. When you do that, you can clearly like control pinch zoom like this, but if you select the auto, everything is together. Okay, if you zoom, everything will zoom together. You see, as you can see, the vertical and the horizontal, you cannot control it separately, but if you just select the auto, you can clearly zoom like this, even to a candle, close to a candle like this. Okay, the other thing I want you to turn on off is this one. Go to the setting and count down to bar close. This one, it will bring the timer over here so that you can know when the next candle will form. Okay, since now in a 1 minute chart, this time is like, as you can see, 14:08, 47 seconds, 46. But if I change this one to maybe 10 minutes, you see like the countdown timer will also change to a bigger number, because the next candle will be forming. Let me just reset this thing. Will be forming in the next 5 minutes. Okay, because I'm on the 10-minute chart. Okay, so that's the use of that thing. So turn on and off that one depending on your liking. Me, I like to leave it like that so that I can know, for example, maybe I want to take the trade on the next candle, but I don't know when the candle will close. This will help me. The other thing is the candle type. I just leave it on candles. I don't touch this one, but sometimes when I want to mark my support and resistance, I change it to line so that I can see, let me reset it. I can see like the spikes, you see, the spike movements in the charts to mark my support resistance and to find some places. Okay, I just leave it on candle. The other thing where most of you are waiting for is it's found here on the FX tab. Okay, FX means indicators. In this case, the indicators I use are stochastic, RSI. After you search it, just press it once and you won't see anything until you click this one. So don't touch it again, because if you touch it multiple times, it will add it to the chart multiple times. The other one is William fractals. Just I touch it once and I close. Now on chart becomes very different. You see these arrows over here. These arrows are added. Those are William fractals, and this is the stochastic RSI over here. I don't change anything on these indicators. I use them by default to give you a general approach on how I use it. Whenever I see this blue region, this blue region is a region to show you the overbought and the oversold area. Whenever the chart crosses above this blue region, even on the top or on the bottom, there is a high chance that the market will reverse. Okay, so when it's moving up like this, it's called overbought. As you can see, it's over this bluish region, so I anticipate a fall trade or a market reversal. And over here, for example, the market was oversold or people were selling constantly. Also, you can see it visually on the chart. As you can see, then after that, the markets tends to reverse because the thing is oversold. Like, people have sold everything, so now people start buying because the price of this volatility 10-1s will become so cheap. People start buying. That's why the market moves upward and the price reverses. Okay, so these are the basic things. You don't need to know all of these things. Just focus on the things that I showed you. If you really want to understand what these drawing tools are, just comment on this video. I want to learn what that is, what this is. But this is the basic. You usually find yourself coming to volatility 10-1s and putting these indicators every day. Putting them is so tiresome. So what you do is press this save button. After that, for example, let me say XYZ. This is like the name. I won't save it. I will save it. Okay. After that, the next time you come, this thing, all of it will reset. Okay, all of it will reset. So after you open this chart, you come here and load chart layout, and after that you can select your chart layout. So everything will load the same the way you left it last time. So this is the basics of using trading view for deriv and the indicators and the setting I use. I hope this video helped someone. If you find this video helpful, please love this video and share it to someone who is interested in trading. And guys, see you in the next one. Thank you.